We're in Burnaby's Government Road area. 19 homes built in 1975. This one's for sale, with the potential buyer wanting to take advantage of the province's new housing density rules that would allow them to build a multiplex here. But there's a problem. There's a private agreement on these 19 properties. It's called a statutory building scheme. Put in place 50 years ago, it essentially ensures a specific type of structure on these properties, not the multi-unit dwellings the province is looking for. In a statement, BC's Housing Ministry says covenants like this on land titles were historically used for a variety of purposes, including limiting density. The province also confirms its new legislation doesn't supersede covenants or private agreements like the one here in Burnaby. It's also not offering much help in resolving them. At this time, the province urges homeowners in this situation to seek legal advice regarding their options. That's exactly what the sellers of this property have done, seeking an order from BC Supreme Court that would cancel the covenant. It would pave the way for the sale of this house, listed at more than $2 million. The petition argues the 1975 agreement put in place by a company that was dissolved 36 years ago is completely obsolete and gets in the way of building modern, much-needed housing, saying the statutory building scheme restricts utilization of 3150 Christdale to its current status, with a single-family residence, which is an underutilization of the property and is inconsistent with the legislative and zoning changes. The petition is putting the neighborhood in a tough spot, asking property owners to support their neighbor in trying to sell their home or sticking to the historical agreement, ensuring a single family home neighborhood.
Trying to sell is a must for them, essentially. So if I were very much against it, then I'm not doing a favor for him. So I'm kind of at a loss. I'm at a crossroad between supporting him and my own opinion in terms of keeping this place to be a single family zoning area.
There could be more conflict like this coming. Experts in property law say the problems of these types of covenants are pervasive.
I'll point out there are 2 million land titles in British Columbia. There are no doubt many thousands of these kind of charges that, of course, affect tens of thousands of properties.
Lawyers and even some city councillors are asking the province to step in here and use its powers to pass laws that would nullify certain covenants like this. That's so neighborhoods could fully realize the multi-unit, multiplex housing the province is looking for, and not leave it up to individual owners to figure it out at their own expense. Chad Pawson, CBC News, Burnaby.